Preparing your working area for Easihold is a simple process that can make a big difference. Plastic sheeting, cardboard, or a tarpaulin are all great ways of protecting the area where you are working from any unwanted Easihold spills. To apply Easihold, there are a few pieces of equipment that you will need to get the best results. Gloves are important for keeping Easihold from getting on your hands. A tape measure is great for making sure you get the right coverage rate. Masking tape for protecting the edges to avoid Easihold splashing onto other surfaces. A trowel for compacting the surface to ensure maximum strength. Application methods. Easihold can be applied in 3 ways: sprayed on, poured on, or mixed in. When it comes to choosing the best application method for you, it depends on the type of area you have and equipment you have available. Spray on. Equipment required. Measure out your first application area and pour the correct amount of Easihold into your pressure sprayer. Apply the first coat over the application area, making sure that you cover all stones. Once you have covered all stones, rake the surface to expose uncoated stones. Apply the second coat straight after, making sure you cover all stones again. Once you've completed your second coat, use something flat to compact the surface. If you have a trowel to hand, these are great, but something as simple as a block of wood will do the trick. After your second coat has set, apply a final coat over the top of the compacted surface. The advantages of the spray method. It's the best all-round application method. It allows for controlled, accurate application. It makes it easy to measure out the correct amount. It's quick to apply over a large area. It can be used for both new and existing stones. Pour on. Equipment required. Before you pour the Easihold into the watering can, it's best to try it out with water to make sure the flow isn't too fast. Measure out your first application area and pour the correct amount of Easihold into your watering can. Once you have covered all stones, rake the surface to expose uncoated stones. Apply the second coat straight after, making sure you cover all stones again. Once you have completed your second coat, use something flat to compact the surface. After your second coat has set, apply a final coat over the top of the compacted surface. The advantages of the pour method are that it's good for getting the job done quickly. You can apply a lot of product quickly over a large area. It can be used for both new and existing stones. Mix in. Equipment required. Add the stones and Easihold to the bucket and mix together. You can do this by hand or by using a drill and paddle. Once fully coated, pour the mixture onto the base and spread with a trowel or flat object. Using the same object, compact the surface to remove any protruding stones. The advantages of the mix method are that it gives the best strength finish, it's the cleanest way to apply, it's ideal for smaller or difficult to reach areas, it's the best method for new stones. Post-application. Taking care of your surface after application is straightforward. Firstly, make sure you give it enough time to dry. Easihold can take up to 36 hours to fully dry, with temperature, humidity and ventilation affecting the drying time. If it's warm and sunny, then it should take less time to dry. Once the surface is fully dry, it's ready to use. Keeping the area clear of debris, leaves and anything that can abrade the surface will help extend the life of Easihold. A top tip for keeping Easihold looking great is an annual top-up. By applying a spray coat to the surface once a year, it will extend the life of the surface.